Do you know many people are having trouble with cleaning the hose of their Vax SpotWash CDCW-CSXS? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Use SelfClean Function. Use the hose SelfClean Function after each use to remove any water or debris left in it. Step 2. Fill tank with water. Unscrew the cap and fill the clean water/solution tank with approximately 1 inch of warm water, max 40 C. Step 3. Run SelfClean Cycle. Push the hose end into the SelfClean port, press the clean water tank release button, and switch on the machine until the tank empties. Repeat if necessary. Step 4. Rinse dirty water tank. Rinse the dirty water tank and lid with warm water, max 40 C, to remove dirt and debris. Step 5. Refit clean water tank. Screw the cap back on and refit the clean water/solution tank, then remove the dirty water tank. Step 6. Empty dirty water. Lift the dirty water tank clip, unhook to release the lid, and empty the dirty water into the sink or toilet. By following these steps, you should be able to properly clean the hose of your Vax SpotWash CDCW-CSXS. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Vax users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.